In today's session, we're going to dive into Jobber and explore how it works. If you're wondering what Jobber is, it's a super handy tool designed to make your business life a whole lot easier, whether you run a small business or manage a larger operation. You can use it to manage your clients, create quotes, schedule jobs, generate invoices, and track everything in one place. I've even dropped a link for a free trial down in the description below. Definitely worth checking out if you're looking to streamline your business. So let's jump right into it and get started. Once you've logged into Jobber, you'll land on your dashboard, the central hub of all your operations. You can easily navigate through various tasks like managing customer inquiries, creating quotes, scheduling jobs, and overseeing your entire workflow. This is where you'll also have access to your finances, including the ability to track invoices, payments, and expenses, making it a breeze to keep everything organized and up to date. The dashboard provides a clear, easy-to-navigate overview of everything happening in your business, allowing you to jump between tasks without losing track. Whether you're checking the status of a job, reviewing upcoming appointments, or viewing client information, everything is right at your fingertips. To get started with Jobber, the first step is to add your clients. You can do this by manually entering their details or by importing an existing list from another platform or file. For example, let's walk through the process of adding a new client, Sarah Johnson. You begin by entering her basic information, such as her phone number, email address, and other essential contact details. Once you've entered everything, simply click Save. It's an efficient process that allows you to store all client information in one centralized location, making it easy to access whenever needed. The real advantage of adding clients to Jobber comes once you have their information in the system. Not only can you easily access all client details from anywhere, but if you have a team, they can also access this information, improving collaboration. This feature ensures everyone stays on the same page when it comes to customer inquiries, job scheduling, and tracking payments. By having up-to-date information available to everyone, you reduce the risk of miscommunication. No more hunting down client details or sifting through countless spreadsheets. Everything is organized, accessible, and secure. Once you've added your clients, you can take advantage of advanced features like setting up recurring jobs, tracking payments, and creating custom tags to further organize your client profiles. Let's dive into these features to see how they can help you streamline your workflow. Next, let's create a quote for Sarah Johnson. Begin by navigating to the Create section in the top menu. In this section, you'll find various options like creating a client, quote, job, or invoice. Since we are focusing on creating a quote, click on Create Quote. After selecting Create Quote, you will need to choose the client for the quote. In this case, select Sarah Johnson from your client list. Now it's time to fill in the job details. For instance, if you're repairing Sarah's refrigerator, you'll input a detailed description of the repair work, including the quantity of labor or parts needed, and the cost for each service provided. If necessary, you can also attach photos of the appliance or offer additional details regarding the work to be completed. If your pricing includes a deposit, you can add that as well. After everything looks good, click Save, and your quote will be created. The next great feature of Jobber is its ease of communication. Once your quote is ready, you can send it directly to Sarah via email or text message. Jobber makes it incredibly simple to send quotes and quickly get approval. Additionally, you can track when the client has viewed or accepted the quote, helping you stay on top of follow-ups and providing a clear timeline of client interactions. This smooth process helps you stay organized and move forward with your tasks without unnecessary delays. Now that Sarah has received her quote, it's time to schedule the job. Go back to the Create section and click on Create Job. Select Sarah Johnson as your client once again. From here, you'll need to fill in more detailed job information. For example, in the case of a refrigerator repair, you will provide a thorough description of the task, listing the parts needed and any other important details. At this stage, you can decide whether this job is a one-time task or a recurring one. If it's a one-time repair like the refrigerator, you will select one-time job. However, if Sarah requires regular service, such as monthly refrigerator inspections, you can set it as a recurring job. Let's say you need to visit Sarah every Wednesday at 3 p.m. for the next 4 weeks. Simply adjust the schedule in the system, and Jobber will automatically generate reminders for both you and your client. Additionally, you can specify the job start and end times, which helps with time management and ensures your day stays organized. Once all details are filled out, click Save, and you're done. Jobber will then send out reminders as the scheduled job dates approach, ensuring you and Sarah never miss an appointment. This feature makes managing your work calendar much easier, and it also allows your clients to receive timely notifications, keeping them informed about upcoming appointments. Now that the job is scheduled and completed, the next step is to create an invoice to get paid. Head back to the Create section and click on Create Invoice. Choose the job you've just completed. Jobber will automatically pull in all the details from the job, including the service description, costs, and any additional charges like parts or labor. This feature saves you time by pre-filling the invoice based on the information from the completed job, ensuring accuracy. Before finalizing the invoice, take a moment to review everything. Double-check that the billing details are accurate, ensure Sarah's contact information is correct, and confirm that the pricing reflects any agreed-upon terms, such as discounts or deposits already paid. This step helps you avoid errors that could delay payment or create confusion later. Once you're satisfied with the details, click Save to finalize the invoice. With your invoice ready, you have 2 options for delivery. Jobber allows you to email the invoice directly to your client with just a click, or you can send it via SMS if prefers text communication. This flexibility helps cater to client preferences, making the payment process as convenient as possible. Additionally, Jobber's online payment options simplify the process by including a payment link. Sarah can pay instantly, reducing delays and ensuring you receive your funds quickly. Jobber's automated reminders will notify you if payment is overdue, ensuring no invoices slip through the cracks. One of Jobber's standout features is its real-time tracking of your business operations. The Insights section on your dashboard provides a comprehensive view of your quotes, jobs, and invoices, all neatly organized in one place. This feature helps you monitor progress, manage workflows, and spot areas needing attention. For example, if client has an unpaid invoice for her refrigerator repair, you can track it under pending payments and follow up accordingly. It also allows you to see which jobs or invoices are at risk of falling behind, giving you time to act before any issues arise. Beyond payments, the Insights feature also provides detailed revenue summaries. For example, you might see that Sarah has generated $400 in revenue for the month, helping you track client contributions and measure performance. This bird's-eye view allows you to analyze income trends, track client contributions, and identify opportunities for growth. You can also filter revenue by different time periods or job categories, giving you flexibility in how you monitor your business's financial health. Another invaluable feature of Jobber is its automated notification system, which ensures everyone, whether it's you, your team, or your clients, stays informed. If it's scheduled for Friday at 10 a.m., Jobber sends notifications in advance so your team can prepare. These reminders can include job details, ensuring everyone knows what's required. With these reminders in place, you won't miss a beat when it comes to customer expectations or team readiness. Clients also benefit from automated notifications. If job needs to be rescheduled to Saturday at 11 a.m., Jobber allows you to notify her instantly through email or text. Similarly, when creating a new quote, Jobber can send it directly to the client for review and approval. These seamless notifications help maintain clear communication, improve professionalism, and eliminate the risk of missed appointments or deadlines. Automated reminders also foster a sense of trust, as clients appreciate timely updates and proactive communication. Jobber is a robust tool designed to simplify and streamline business operations. From managing client data to scheduling jobs, creating invoices, and tracking revenue, Jobber handles it all. The intuitive interface makes it easy for both new and experienced users to navigate. Its flexibility allows you to customize workflows based on your business's unique needs. With Jobber, you can efficiently manage quotes, track project statuses, and ensure timely payments using automated invoicing. Real-time tracking gives you a clear snapshot of business performance, enabling data-driven decision-making. Whether you're looking at completed jobs, pending invoices, or upcoming tasks, everything is easily accessible. Jobber isn't just about organization, it's about saving time, boosting productivity, and enhancing customer service. It lets you focus on growing your business while it handles the logistics. Whether you're scheduling jobs, sending reminders, or reviewing revenue insights, Jobber is an all-in-one tool that helps you work smarter and grow your business faster. It's an essential platform for any professional looking to elevate their business management, stay on top of their operations, and provide a seamless experience for their clients.